Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of our A1 English listening practice video. You can use this video to practice your listening and comprehension as I speak. Before we start, remember to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and follow us on Instagram. Are you ready? So today I'm going to talk about jobs. This is a really common topic because most adults have a job or some type of work. Let's talk about different types of jobs that people have. One common type of job is a part-time job. Part-time jobs are jobs where you work fewer hours. I had part-time jobs when I was younger. I worked part-time at a clothing store, at a restaurant, and at my university. Many students have part-time jobs. They study in the morning and work in the evening. I did this when I was a student in Canada. In many countries, teenagers get a job when they're in high school. I got my first job when I was 17. I was in my last year of high school. I worked at a clothing store called Gap. I didn't like that job very much, but I liked earning money. Some of my classmates worked at fast food restaurants like McDonald's. I also had a part-time job when I was in college. When I was in college, I worked at the university's dining hall. A dining hall is the place on a university campus where students eat. I worked as a cook and a dishwasher at my dining hall. I didn't like washing dishes. I liked cooking more than dishwashing. How about you? Have you ever had a part-time job? Okay, now let's talk about full-time jobs. In the US, people who have full-time jobs usually work 40 hours a week or more. Some people work a lot more, like 50 or 60 hours a week. For some full-time jobs, you need a college degree. For other full-time jobs, you don't need a degree. In the US, there are many different jobs available in different industries. Some examples of industries are finance, marketing, medicine, IT, and education. I work in the education industry because I'm a teacher. There are many good jobs in the US for people who don't have degrees. For example, you can be an electrician, a plumber, a truck driver, or many other things. People who have these jobs make good money. Most salaries in America are high compared to other countries. Americans make a lot of money, but they have to spend a lot of money. Life is very expensive in the US. The normal schedule for full-time jobs is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. in the US. However, some people start work earlier, like at 8 a.m., and other people end later, like at 6 p.m. I start work pretty early at 7:30 a.m., but I also finish early at 4:30 p.m. What about you? What kind of job would you like to have? Remember, finding a job you enjoy is important for a happy life.